Cooking with a Twist is a very interesting cookery show because there people learn how to prepare healthy food, and that too without many ingredients which we use normally in our food. So, a lot of children participated in this particular show, and they were able to learn a number of different techniques to prepare very healthy food. But this show has a very special condition, that is, you cannot use flame, and also you cannot use oil, and even if you have to use, it has to be very less, that is, very less or no use of oil at all. So you see, no oil is a very important condition. Now, three children, Ishita, Raman and Nikita, participated in this particular show, and they were very excited, but at the same time they were worried too, that how could they prepare a food with less or no use of flame and oil. Well, it's very difficult, but the chef said that he will be guiding them and he would help them whenever they face a problem. Now, what happened is, chef gave them three different ingredients with which they needed to prepare healthy food. So let's see what they got. Now, Raman was given beans. Ishita was given milk. And Nikita was given rice and dal. Now, all three had to prepare dishes with the help of these ingredients. So, Raman was asked to soak the beans in water and keep it aside for 3 days. Ishita was asked to add a very small amount of curd into the milk she got and then cover it and leave it overnight. Now, Nikita was asked to add water into a mixture of rice and dal and then make a paste of it. And once she has made a paste of rice and dal, then she has to leave it overnight. And then next morning, she needs to put the paste into such trays and then steam it. So what exactly will happen with steaming? We will see one by one. First of all, let's see what Raman got. Now, after 3 days, Raman saw that these small white things have started to come out of all the different beans that he had soaked. So he asked the chef what exactly these are. Well, the chef said that these are sprouted beans. And how the beans sprout? Well, now these beans are actually seeds, and as soon as they get water, then small plantlets start coming out of these seeds, and then we say that the beans have sprouted. So sprouting is practice of germinating seeds to be eaten raw. So you see, the seeds are allowed to give out small plantlets, and once the plantlets have start coming out of the seeds, then they are eaten raw, and they are packed with nutrients and very healthy. And they are very healthy compared to the curry which we eat, because in normal curries we add a lot of oil and spices, and when you add oil and spices to a food, then it becomes unhealthy or its nutrients decrease a lot, and as a result they are not as healthy as the sprouted beans. The sprouted beans are packed with nutrients. In fact, they are also capable of eliminating a lot of bad things which are already there in the food. So they are very healthy and they should be eaten more compared to the curries which we eat. So tell me, which is more healthy? Is it oily food or is it sprouted beans? It's definitely sprouted beans. Sprouted beans are very healthy and we should always eat them as much as we can. Now, Ishita saw something very different. She saw that in the container where she had stored the milk and covered it, now it has become pretty solid. And in fact, it looks like curd. So she asked the chef, what exactly is it? Well, the guide said that the milk has turned to curd. And why did that happen? Because she had added a small amount of curd into the milk. And because of that, a lot of microorganisms got into the milk. And they helped to turn milk to curd. So all these microorganisms came from the curd which was added to the milk. Now you must be thinking that microorganisms are usually not good for our health, but among them, few are such which are very helpful to us. They help us prepare healthy food. So when the curd was added to the milk, then these microorganisms entered the milk. And then overnight, they converted this milk into curd. Now, curd is very delicious, very healthy, and it is very good for our stomach. So you see, some microorganisms are very helpful and they help us convert one food into another healthy food. Now, Nikita saw that after steaming the trays, she got these delicious, fluffy idlis. Now, she was amazed that how could she get these delicious idlis from the rice and dal paste? Well, the chef said this was also done with the help of those helpful microorganisms. Do you remember? She kept the entire paste of dal and rice overnight without touching it. Well, at that time, these microorganisms worked on the paste and then they made it fluffy. And because of that, when these were steamed, then she got fluffy idlis. So you see, the microorganisms were able to help make this paste into idlis. And this process is called fermentation. That is, when microorganisms convert a food into a more digestible and healthy food, then the process is called fermentation. So, and with the help of fermentation, we make a number of food like idlis and dosas. Now, what fermentation exactly is? When microorganisms convert carbohydrates into some other form which is healthy and easily digestible by humans, then we call it fermentation. And this technique is very helpful to us. So things like bread and dosas. Do you know who are their chefs? Their chefs are the microorganisms, because without them we cannot have these delicious food. So you see, all the three children were very happy because they were able to learn 3 new techniques to prepare very healthy food. And if you have all these healthy food by using these particular techniques, you will get lot of nutrition from the food and you will be very healthy and very fit.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.